So we're kind of bored today. I thought I'd come out and do some nature hiking with Gia. This is really close to my house. They have a lot of cool little trails. We're gonna go this way though. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. Go ahead. Go ahead. It's just beautiful, peaceful out here. My boyfriend worked late last night, so I didn't just want to sit in the house, and the Y was closed, and I wanted to get out and get some exercise. Come on. Pine cones? Okay, come on. Let's go up the trail. You gonna go throw it?
Yeah, I'll come throw it over here.
Okay, come on. Let's go. So this is learning for her too, you know, the sounds, touching. She touches stuff.
Wait, there's a big hill.
A big hill, yep. She knows, you know, what birds are and colors, and this is just a great sensory experience for her.
You go hold hand on.
No, you don't need to hold hands. You got this. I'm gonna end up walking her up some pretty high cliffs up here. Not really high, but enough for her. It is a big hill. It's a good exercise. Yeah.
Mommy, we're gonna go up the stairs.
Oh yeah, we are gonna go up the stairs.
Oh, there's the stairs.
Wow, these trees are just amazing.
Yeah, I'm gonna go first.
They're definitely different here than on the other side of the state. You know, we were over there 20 years. It's definitely nice to see the different scenery. And they're not chemtrailing today. Look at that clear blue skies today because the holiday.
Are you playing, Mom?
Yeah, I'm doing good. All right. Wow, this is beautiful.
I will go first. I will go first.
Yep. Oh, we're going up a big hill. Okay, Gia. Woohoo!
What's that noise? What's
Uh,
that noise?
birds and bugs and.
Birds and bugs. I don't like birds
You don't like birds
and bugs.
and bugs. You do got this.
There's a table here.
Yep. Whoa. So strong, Gia. Whoa.
You did it.
We did do it.
Wow, a table.
Oh yeah. You gonna go sit down?
Yeah.
Go drink some water. Those are birds.
Birds where?
Somewhere in the trees.
Oh, yeah, we're going to wait.
Go sit down.
Sit right here.
All right, you guys. You have a great Labor Day. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Life is awesome, man. Get out and live it. Especially if you're in recovery, you need to get out and live life. Say bye.